Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram is logging me out again and again. His Instagram down. So when you open your Instagram app, you are not able to see anything on the feed. When you are reloading, it keeps logging you out. You can type Instagram down on Google and see that in current status, many of the user Instagram is down. And you are not the only person facing this problem. It's Instagram glitch and Instagram will fix it soon. You will be able to access Instagram again after the new update or soon as the glitch is fixed. You can wait and check your Instagram if it's fixed. So this was the process by which you can fix Instagram is logging me out again and again. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.